What is up, everyone? I am super tired. If you can't tell, uh, oh, uh, yeah, had to wake up at 3:50 a.m. It was really sad. It was really sad. I was having one of the nicest, most wholesome dreams I've had in a very long time. It was like basically I was at my college graduation, which was just like 2 months ago for me, and then my favorite teacher ever, my fifth grade teacher, was there. And then, like, I was just about to talk to her and be like, "Oh, like," I was saying, like, "Oh, man, you were so nice to me, and you taught me so much, and taught me all these lessons." Because she did. Shout out my fifth grade teacher. She was amazing. Oh my god, I love my fifth grade teacher. And then she was about to respond, and then my dad's like, he wakes me up. I'm angry. I'm angry. I don't think I've had it, and I was in it. Like, I was like right in that dream. I don't think I've had a dream that nice and I don't know how long. Like, I was crying. I was crying when I was telling my fifth grade teacher how much she meant to me. And then my dad woke me up. He woke me up. I had been asleep for a whole hour and 50 minutes. Now, you might ask, Diego, why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you coding on no sleep? Well, I want to know, I really want to practice what it's like to work at Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, Twitter, X now. What is it like to work with no regard for my health or well-being? I could get who knows where I'd end up working, you know? If and who knows where I'm going to end up working, and I need to get some reps in falling asleep on my desk, hands on the keyboard, home row, still ready at a moment's notice to type in a terminal command. What is it like? What is it like doing front end on no sleep? Is it the same as doing back end with sleep? Sneak diss? I have no right to diss anyone. I never had a developer job. Unemployed plus broke plus tired. Uh yeah, so the objective today is to code until my hair dries, one, and two, I I'm just so tired that I need to sleep. And ideally, uh, I'll be really tired, and then I can go to sleep at like 8 p.m. So then I can reset my sleep schedule, or even earlier, to be honest, maybe like 7 or 8, to reset my sleep schedule to be able to wake up at 3:50, which I need to wake up at because right now I can't drive. Womp womp. But I just got my permit like last week. But I'm also gonna get my driver's license soon, hopefully in a month. But yeah, I can't drive. So the only time my dad wants to take me to the gym is before work. So we work out for an hour and then we play basketball for like 45 minutes to get the cardio in. So I just, not only did I sleep an hour and 50 minutes, but I just did that. Somehow, this is the first time, sorry, actually, maybe I shouldn't say that. A little too revealing, but this is the first time I've been productive post no sleep. This is the earliest I've ever streamed, which is insane. But it's good. It's a good thing, I think. Uh I'm stalling. I don't want to start this project, but I actually applied to a couple companies yesterday, expecting complete rejections. Need to try out the hey, let me buy you some coffee. Can we get on a Zoom call deal? Uh, technique, the me writing technique to get a job, but also they'd probably give me valuable information too. But just applied to some random jobs, get the ball rolling. Um, happy I did that. I actually have like a fear of applying to jobs, so that was important. Applied to like three just to get it out there. One of them was unpaid internship, and that was the most. That was the one where my skills aligned the most with. I was saying I'd take any job, but unpaid internship is kind of ouch. Ouch. I'm broke. I need money. But it's only like 3 months. And I don't know. I'm acting like I'm going to even get the unpaid one. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Today, I'm going to do front end for, I guess not for the first time, but technically I did a front end project November, like November, October last year. Uh, but I didn't really do anything. My partner kind of did. Oh, a message. My partner kind of did all of the code for me. Yo, I just told a family member that I started live streaming my code and they just said ha 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 laughing emoji. Not even the cat laughing emoji, the regular laughing emoji. It's time to wrap it up. It's time to call it quits. No, I'm just kidding. I know they didn't mean that. What was I saying? Yeah, they did all the work. I didn't really do anything. And I've made a bootstrap thing like 4 years ago. So basically I'm starting new. I could watch tutorials. I don't feel like it right now. So now I'm finally, with that, all of that being said, 6 minutes of rambling. I'm reaching new records. Uh, hold up, I need to explain the purpose of my live stream. Uh, I'm spitting right now. I don't even know. Okay. Dataparser.py. So I guess first thing I should decide, right, is what am I going to use for the front end? Should I use Flask, Django, JavaScript? Would it make sense? Oh, actually, I'm kind of confused about something. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Do all web applications require JavaScript? I guess, I don't know. Like the way I was learning it was Ajax calls. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know anything about web. Server-side rendered applications. Server handles all the logic, and the browser simply displays HTML and CSS. What's better? Okay, so what I think I'm gonna just use the Python one and Flask. How can they help me build a web app using Python? So Django's a high level. Didn't I say yesterday that I was going to use vanilla JavaScript? Psych. I ain't using that. Did I mention I'm tired? I'm very tired. We'll see how long I can do this. Hopefully at least an hour. Overview. Django? Django? I don't know how to say that. It's like a movie, right? I don't know. It's a high-level Python web framework that promotes rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Follows the batteries included philosophy, meaning it comes with a lot of built-in features and tools out of the box. I just need to pick one technology. It's funny how I went on that whole rant, but I changed my mind. I don't know. I just need to pick one technology so I have a foundation, you know. I think yesterday I was wrong in the sense where I guess it would be cool to use vanilla JavaScript, but I'm comfortable either way, to be honest. Like if I learned the harder thing and then enabled to extrapolate technologies that make that harder thing easier for me, uh, then that's fine. If I learn an easier thing, I know I am also capable of using the easier thing as a way to understand high level concepts and then from there understand the harder thing, you know? So obviously the second one is easier in the beginning and harder later on, and the first one is harder in the beginning and easier later on, but I'm okay with either, to be completely honest with you. And I can do both, so it's fine. Okay, object relational mapping. Don't know what that is. Allows you to interact with your database using Python code instead of SQL. Okay, wait, maybe I should learn SQL. Just saying. Wow, bro, does this shit? Oh, I mean, this just does everything for me. Uh, okay, built-in user authentication system, including user registration, login, logout, password reset, or more. I don't need. My website isn't even going to need user authentication, I think, which is good for me. Form handling. Okay. Security features. Maybe that would be important. I don't know. Scalability. Flask. Flask is a lightweight micro web framework for Python that gives you more control and flexibility over your application. Okay. Sorry, I should be reading this. I don't feel like it, but I'm reading it in my head. Flask hides less. Okay, I'm a fan of that. Yeah, bro. This is just a personal project. I'm not making a goddamn company here. Okay, so let's get started in how to get started with Python. All right, you know what? Let's just go to Python. I don't need an article. Let's go to the docs. Let's go to the docs, buddy. Straight up reading those docs. Which one? uh, um. Wait, what? Oh, okay. This is the home for Flask. Oh, I'm scared. Should we just quick start? Okay, set up a project and install Flask first. Okay, I should probably do that first, right? Oh, we're here. We recommend reuse the latest version of Python. Sounds good. So I'm getting all these things. I have an interface between the standard Python interface between applications and servers. Jinja is a template language that renders the page your application serves. Okay. I don't know what any of these things mean. Markup safe comes with Jinja. It escapes untrusted input when rendering templates to avoid injection attacks. Okay, a little security. It's nice. It's dangerous. Securely assigns data to ensure its integrity. This is used to protect Flask's session cookie. Hey, you got to start somewhere. Click is a framework for writing command line applications. Provides the Flask command and allows custom management commands. Blinker provides support for signals, which I also don't know. Use a virtual environment to manage the dependencies for your project, both in development and in production. Do I create a virtual environment? Oh, I have to. They're making me learn VENV. Okay. We'll go for it. Damn, nah, but what? But I don't want to. I'm a little confused, I guess. Like, what happens when I... Should I use the virtual environment? I should, but I'm not going to. Sorry. I know it's probably an L take. I'm going to regret it. Don't worry. It's okay. Give me Flask. I already got all that from somehow. We're ready to Flask. Oh, is that how I have it? No, actually, I have no idea how I have this stuff already. Did I mention I'm tired? Oh, man. Most entertaining developer live stream. Man, okay. Cool, we got Flask. What do I do now? A minimal Flask application looks something like this. From Flask, import Flask. App equals Flask name. App route / define hello world. Return hello world. First, we imported the Flask class. An instance of this class will be our website graphical interface application. Acronym first try. I could be wrong. Next, we create an instance of this class. The first argument is the name of the application's module or package. So app is an instance of the Flask class. Name is a convenient shortcut for this. that is appropriate for most cases. This is needed so Flask knows where to look for resources such as templates and static files. I'm going to just say this is how you make a default Flask instance. We then use the route function, route decorator, to tell Flask what URL should trigger our function. So we're saying our function hello world should be triggered by the first. So for example, if I was just in the English version of Flask projects, I think it's saying that the first backslash, I do know that each backslash is a different place, a route your website can go, your URL can go. So the first one, the default one, is going to be the front page. And I think that's what route is doing. Function returns the message we want to display. The default content type is HTML. So HTML in the string will be rendered by the browser. Okay, don't call it Flask PY. Good to know. To run the application, use the Flask command or python-m Flask. You need to tell the Flask where your application is with the --app option. What? How does it know? Where in this code is it called hello, though? Oh, they called it hello.py. I'm dumb. Okay, so to run it, call Flask, use --app, tell it to run the file of the name where all the stuff is. And then run it. Okay. Man. Oh. It's bad. It's bad. This is supposed to be easy, right? Cat. Give me that. Give me that. Give me a new file. Bam. Paste. Boom. This is going to be called Okay, save. As what? I don't know. Front end? Is this back end? I don't know, bro. Web server .py. Okay. I wonder if I press play on this, what would happen? Nothing, which is fine, because I actually need to do this. Flask -app web server run. Thank you. We're in port 5000. Oh, y'all can't see, but boom. First website. Sick. Okay. Where do we go from here? Oh, crap. How do I... Let's look this up. Okay. Maybe I'm lazy. When I'm tired, I'm just going to use ChatGPT, okay? How to... I could just wrap my whole code as a function. How to call a Python script from another file. It's definitely not a module. It just lets me use the functions, but I don't want to use the functions. I want to just import the whole damn thing. Oh, this is what I want. Okay, and like I said, I probably should make it into a module or something, but I just want to see if this works. So I want to use it as a sub process. What the hell is this? I never understood that. I'm gonna have to understand that. Some later point. Okay. But it still needs to all be in one. This is the worst live stream ever. Hair is feeling wet. Dry enough. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Oh no. I'd still have to. Dude, what? Yeah, I'm gonna want to understand all of this. And I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay, this was my attempt at a live stream. We got started. We got started. Okay. We'll live stream again when I wake up. After I eat and wake up and chill for a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this boring, exploratory analysis into ChatGPT output. See you guys later in the day.